Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Python project which is entitled as a contemporary technique for lung disease prediction using deep learning, which is an IEEE 2022 conference paper. So before seeing the execution of the project, let me brief about this project. In this paper, the authors have proposed a modern technique. So here the contemporary technique means a modern technique for predicting the lung disease. The causes for this lung disease is due to the changes in the climate and like bad activities like smoking, etc. So due to these kinds of things, the lung diseases are increasing day by day. So the medical field is using the machine learning and deep learning technique for predicting these kinds of lung disease technique. And here in this paper, the authors have used the X-ray images for predicting the lung disease using CNN. So as our proposed model, we are not going to use the same. So here we are going to use VGG16 architecture. So our proposed algorithm or model is VGG16 architecture, and the training accuracy that we have achieved is 93.34%, and the validation accuracy that we have achieved is 91.1%. Now let me go to the dataset part. So here in the dataset part, here we have 4 classes here using COVID, normal, pneumonia and tuberculosis. So we are going to use these 4 classes of dataset. So the comparison between the existing and proposed is like in the existing system, they have used individual model, single model for predicting the different diseases, but here we are going to combine the model for various lung diseases. So as I intimated, so here we are going to use and predict the normal, tuberculosis, COVID-19 and pneumonia. So here the data set is been we have been prepared this data set from various sources like Kaggle and internet, because this consists of various kinds of lung diseases. So let me show you these things. So here you can see these COVID X-ray images data set. This is all for the normal image data set, and this is all for pneumonia data set, and here this consists of tuberculosis X-ray image data sets. So totally we have used around 1075 images for the training data set. So here you can see the things that is mentioned in the base paper. Now before executing the project, make sure that you have fulfill the requirement that is mentioned in the requirement folder by installing the exact version and the libraries. So first copy the source code location, go to your command prompt. First go to the source code location, then type python app.py. Now after some time you can see this URL. Just copy this URL, go to any of your browser. I'm going to Firefox and just paste this URL, and now you can see the home screen or welcome screen of project with the project title, a contemporary technique for lung disease prediction using deep learning. So just click this login menu, so it will be navigated to the login page. So kindly note that this is a static login page because we have not used any database in the project. So just enter the default username and password as admin, and then click login. And once the login is successful, it will be navigated to the preview part where we need to upload the test image and predict the kind of lung disease. So first let me click this browse button, go to the project source code location, and where you can see test data, where you can see the different classes is being segregated and given to you. First let me go to the COVID-19 part. So let me select any of the image and then click submit. Now after few seconds you can see the prediction result of it. So here you can see the image that we have uploaded, and the prediction result is COVID-19. So let me go to the preview menu again, because I'm going to check with some other image. So let me go to the normal case now and select any of the image and then click submit button. Now you can scroll down and you can see the prediction result of the given image, X-ray image, and you can see the predicted result is normal. So let me go to the preview part again and go to the browse button and let me select the pneumonia X-ray image here and then click submit. And now you can see the prediction result with the image that we have given, and also the predicted result is pneumonia. And let me go to the preview part again, and now let me upload a case from tuberculosis and let me select any of the image and then click submit. And now you can see the image that we have uploaded, and also the predicted result is tuberculosis. So in this way you can just upload any of the images that is given in the test data or the train data, and you can just predict the result of the lung disease. So as a test case I have shown with few scenarios. You can check with the other images that is given in the data set on the train data. So now let me move to the performance analysis part. So in the performance analysis part we can see the performance analysis parameters of accuracy, precision, recall and F measure values. So here you can see the accuracy, precision, recall, F measure parameters, and then we'll be seeing the confusion matrix with the true and false label for the COVID, normal, pneumonia and tuberculosis. And final comes the chart part. So this chart part is a static chart. This is not a dynamic chart. The chart is being depicted from the data set images that we have trained up with. So here you can see the X-ray images of COVID-19 consists of 19.2%, and normal cases around 30.8%, pneumonia X-ray images around 19.2%, and tuberculosis around 30.8%. So that has been depicted in the chart part. And let me log out. And this is all about the project, a contemporary technique for lung disease prediction using deep learning. And thank you for watching.